Welcome to Mifratech. This is a model of Camouflage military robot. In this we have used Arduino Uno microcontroller and Node MCU, which is ESP8266, a PIR sensor, gas sensor, metal detector proximity sensor, motor driver, DC to DC converter, DC motors, LED matrix, color sensor and IR sensor. So let's see the working. As soon as you turn on your model, you will be connecting to Blink app, where you can monitor the sensor values and operate the robot. Let's see the sensor working. Whenever the smoke is detected, you can see it displays smoke detected. Whenever a bomb is detected using metal detector, you can see it displays bomb detected. Whenever an obstacle is detected in front of the robot, you can see it displays object detected. Whenever there is a color change in front of the color sensor, the color matrix displays. We have used camouflage technique to display the RGB, and we can control the camera using the camera app for surveillance. We have given 12 volts power supply. You can see here we have taken 12 volts and converted it to 5 volts and providing for all the modules. This was the working of this model. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Mifratech eLearning and follow for more ideas.